If you haven't got your hands on the Enhanced Touch and Go card and really wanted badly to have one because you can't get it from official Touch and Go outlets, it's probably time for you to upgrade your smartphone to the Honor 70 Icelandic Frost color. Because by buying this phone, you get a free limited edition Enhanced Touch and Go card that is unique to yourself, and it is only sold in limited batches. So let's unbox this baby and find out how the phone looks like. So there's a total of 2 boxes in this cover here, one being the phone itself and the Enhanced Touch and Go card. So let's just take a look at the Enhanced Touch and Go card, shall we? So let's just take it out, and this is a very nice packaging by Honor and Touch and Go. So this is a really nice Aurora color, and we are going to cut the seal open right now to unveil the limited edition Touch and Go card. Oof, there you go. Whoa, this looks really nice, isn't it? There is a 70 right here, and this is like what you usually see on the Enhanced Touch and Go card, and that's the Honor and Touch and Go branding on it. It looks super cool. And here is apparently a text here. So it says that the Icelandic Frost is a color proudly designed by Honor's exclusive multi-layer coating technology. So apparently the reason behind this Icelandic Frost color naming and this color scheme is because the color is actually inspired by the aurora lights that you see in Iceland, and this is how the Touch and Go card looks like. But wait a minute, there's actually more inside the box. Let's take a look what's inside here. So, whoa, there you go. We have something extra here. This is a Touch and Go RFID, which costs 35 ringgit to purchase. So if your car is still not equipped with an RFID sticker yet, well, you get this inside the box when you buy the Honor 70. And there's even a free TPU case, and it's a special TPU case, guys, because right at the back here there's actually a pocket for you to slide in the Enhanced Touch and Go card, which is super convenient. And I really love this collaboration and packaging that Honor Malaysia and Touch and Go has done here. And now let's take a look at how the phone looks like, shall we? So as you can see, this is a pretty standard Honor 70 box that you will find in retail stores. So I'm really excited to see how good the phone looks like. And let's take it out right now. Wow, this is the Aurora color that we see. It's similar to the Touch and Go card. Do you see it? It's actually very similar to the Enhanced Touch and Go card here. So it looks pretty cool. So imagine if you put on the TPU case and you have this card slot into the back, it really creates a great fashion statement here. Now let's continue to find out what you get inside the box before we get talking about the phone. So you get a SIM ejector pin, and you get another TPU case as well, but without the card pocket. You get a 66 watt Honor supercharged charging brick, and finally a USB-C cable. And that's pretty much what's inside the box on the Honor 70 Icelandic Frost color, which is pretty similar to what you get on this regular Honor 70. And now this is the phone in Aurora color, and I have the old version of the phone right here, which is in its glittery silver color here, which looks really nice. So you can see the difference between these two is that the Icelandic Frost color here actually reacts to light as you spin around against light. So this is actually a very nice treatment here. It's like a color changing phone. So whenever you're outside and you're using a phone right like this, the color will actually change, and that's actually a very cool color that Honor has done right over here as compared to the regular Honor 70. So we have previously concluded the review of the Honor 70 already, and this is definitely one of the best smartphones that we can recommend for under 2,000 ringgit, and that's for several reasons. First of all, because its powerful camera system. The Honor 70 is the first smartphone to be equipped with a 54 megapixel Sony IMX800 sensor that excels in low light than many other smartphones. It is also equipped with a secondary ultra-wide camera that shoots at 50 megapixels. That's actually the highest resolution ultra-wide camera that you can get for under 2,000 ringgit. So as you can see in these camera samples that I took just recently, the Honor 70 is still holding up pretty well as a good low light shooter for under 2,000 ringgit, and it is the very reason why you should definitely consider this if you're on the hunt for a good camera phone that's below 2,000 ringgit. In terms of specs, the Honor 70 is definitely no slouch as it is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus processor, mated to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It also has this really nice 6.67-inch AMOLED display that refreshes at a buttery-smooth 120Hz. It has a pretty large battery as well at 4,800 mAh and charges super fast at 66 watts. So you'll definitely get 2 days of lightweight usage or even moderate usage. You'll definitely definitely get more than a day of usage and it gets charged really fast. Now, I'm really happy to see that Honor Malaysia has made the collaboration between Touch 'n Go happen, because this shows their commitment in the Malaysian market and they really want to deliver the best for the customers and fans, especially when they bundle with this enhanced Touch 'n Go card, which is so hard to come by even on Touch 'n Go's official channels. So there's definitely no reason not to consider the Honor 70 if you're looking for a smartphone upgrade as well as owning this limited edition enhanced Touch 'n Go card. So the Honor 70 retails at 1,999 ringgit, even for the Icelandic Frost color. You also get a free Honor Band 6 and a 1+1 year extended warranty, and that's a really great value that you get for under 2,000 ringgit. So yeah, that's a first look on the Icelandic Frost version of the Honor 70. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up, and we'll see you in the next one.